Hello friends, so today it's a little bit drama. I was making my sheep and look at this. This is how my arms looks like. So I'm putting the sheep, no, the sheep is going inside the milk stand by herself, and she's just standing there and eating and everything is fine. I can milk the sheep, so that's not really a problem. But then if the food is empty, so the bucket of the food is empty, she's going back and just press her whole body against my arm. So like here, pressing very hard. And then she's waiting after I'm giving her food. But I can't give her food because I'm just inside the milk stand and we both are fixed. It was awful. So yeah. A lot of people are doing something that they put something around the neck so that she can't go back and something. So I'm thinking, no, I don't really like it so much. But on the other hand, I don't want to have an arm like this. So yeah. But for the rest, it was only one sheep. For the rest, everything is going perfectly, and yeah, she's doing good. So her name is Tina, so remember her name. I have now for all sheep's name, but two are missing. Yes. So I have Betsy, Tina. So this is first I'm doing Betsy because she's the one who is giving most of the time 1 liter milk in the morning and 1 liter milk in the night. And I think this is pretty good because I'm not know how really to milk, so I'm just a little bit trying it, but I think it is working right now. And yeah, 2 liter milk, it's okay because I had the baby sheep. They're long time with the sheep, so everything is a little bit new. I think it's okay. So, and then as Tina is coming, and she's most of the time giving 800 milliliter milk. Sorry, I'm a little bit tired. And yeah, she has 3 babies, so I think it's okay that she don't have so much milk anymore. And then Anna is coming. Anna has not really much milk, so most of the time is 100 to 200 milliliter. So 100 or 200 in the morning, and then another 1 or 200 in the night. And then the one sheep is coming who didn't have a name, so I don't know really her name. Yeah, so she is very shy, and yeah, I think her owners before don't really really now loved her because she is, yeah, I don't know, she don't really like it to touch, and she's very afraid and everything. So it's a big problem, but yeah, I'm training with her and it's going better. And then yeah, Wilma is coming, and Wilma is like a little bit a horse because she was one time on the milk stand and there came a dog. Oh, and I can tell you the story. So before they get babies, oh yeah, sorry, it's a little bit messy behind me because today I made a lot of cheese and yeah, I have to clean it up. So yeah, because they get babies, there was a big dog inside. It was a husky, and he was running behind the sheep, and he bite one sheep, not of mine but from the neighbors, to death. So this was awful. And now if the sheep are seeing a dog, they are always afraid. So this one sheep, Wilma, she was on the milk stand and she saw another dog who was coming by, and she was just saying, oh no, I have to leave. So she was just opened the door that she can go out from the milk stand, and then she just jumped on the one gate. And I was thinking, oh wow, this is very high, and I didn't know that sheep can jump so high. And for this moment, she's now always my spring horse. I think it's a great name. So yeah, this is Wilma. And what else? Oh, I have Marie. Marie is very nice, but she really likes to eat. So if she sees food, she's doing everything for food. Yeah, and then I have Lisa. Lisa is a new one. I'm not milking her. She is only 1 year, but she looks very nice, and she has very nice hair, so I really like this. And yeah, then I have 2-1. I don't have a name for them. So if you know a name, please write something in the comments. I'm not sure. So I really want to have a nice name for the sheep who, yeah, didn't have a good honor and everything. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, then another drama today. So yeah, today it's like, no, a little bit drama. Look at this. Yesterday I put some cucumbers in my raised beds and they are not doing well because there was a big bird who just put all of the flowers, no, all of the plants outside, and I could rescue them. So they have a little bit roots. I put them 2 hours ago inside here, so I am hoping they are doing better. But yeah, I'm not really sure. And here's a little bit everything that I'm growing. And Son said he really liked to have potatoes. So this is my sweet potatoes that I am growing. So I'm just cutting off a potato and then there are small little ones growing, but they have to grow a little bit faster. Hello, sweet potatoes. Summer is coming. Yeah, and just the leftover tomatoes and they are looking nice. So I don't know if they have roots already. Oh yeah, they have. Can you see it? I'm not sure if the camera is focusing. So they have a small little roots. Yeah, great. And here is the kohlrabi. I'm just putting the kohlrabi inside, so maybe it will grow again. I'm not sure. And this is the salad. I'm rescuing it. So if I'm putting out the salad for my raised bed, I just make everything ready here in the kitchen. And then I'm putting the salad in the glass. And if I see that salad is growing, I'm just going to the garden and bring the salad back. A second life. Okay, now that's it for today. Of course, the other hours I was busy with my wool. Oh, I can show you what I did today. I put already a picture on Instagram, but here it's, where's the light? Here. So this looks so cute. Can you see it? Yeah. So 2 different colors, one from the black sheep, one from the white sheep. And I was thinking it's a great combination for socks or maybe just, I don't know, make other things. I don't know. And this is another one that I accomplished. And here's another one. You can see it. So I have 2 of them now. And a small one over there. Yeah. And I'm looking a little bit like, ooh. Okay. See each other tomorrow. Bye bye.